Good morning. Today I'm going to make chahan fried rice, and these are the ingredients. We've got some ham, some celery, and some mixed vegetables, and we also have rice. This is rice from yesterday's supper that we saved for special chahan, but you can also use frozen rice if you wish, if you save your rice, and just microwave it so it goes in the pan nice and warm. And so we'll start getting ready for the chahan by preparing our vegetables. Okay, we'll start by cutting up our celery. We cut up our celery nice and fine so it cooks. And we put it back in the bowl for preparation for cooking. And that should be enough for the rice. Now we'll do our ham, and we'll do our second celery. These are our vegetables that are prepared for our chahan, and you can use whatever kind of vegetables or ingredients that you like. Now we'll cut up our ham in preparation for cooking. We've got our ham ready. And now we'll start to prepare by turning on the oven, stove, about 3 or 4 to make it warm. And we have our rice that we're going to add. You can microwave your rice to get it nice and warm before it goes into the pan. You can also, your frozen rice, it's best to microwave it so it's nice and warm when it goes into the pan. So now we'll start by putting in our vegetables and warming them up and getting them ready for the rice soon to start. We'll add our ingredients. Make sure we use it all. And we have our pan nice and warm. Just takes a few minutes. Once we hear some sizzles. And to help it get warm fast, we're going to use a lid so there's no splatters on the stove top. And once it gets nice and warm, we'll add our rice. And our vegetables have started to warm up. And so now, in preparation for the rice, for the chahan, we're going to turn up the heat to make a nice, warm, crispy rice. And we put our rice in the fry pan. Make sure to get all of it. And now we'll start to break up the rice. And you can hear the vegetables starting to sizzle and the ham. And we put no oil in the pan, so it makes it a little bit more healthy for you. You don't need extra oil. There's oil in the ham. We can get ready to add our seasoning. And the seasoning we're going to use is a little bit of pepper, black pepper, just a little bit. and a little bit of sea salt. If you want extra flavor, you can add some soy sauce, but this one is just a small amount of sea salt. And our rice is getting nice and warm. Nice sizzling, so we know it's going to be nice, crispy. I'll help break it all up. Turning it over so it gets warm on all sides. As it gets warm, the cold rice will separate. And the ham and the vegetables cook a little better. You stir gently so we don't put the rice on the stove top. One thing I like to do is let the rice sit so it gets time to get very hot and a little brown. If you move it too much, it never gets a chance to get crispy. And we put on a lid to get steam and to steam the rice and the vegetables. It's nice and warm. And your cooking is about less than 10 minutes. So you have a nice lunch made at home, healthy lunch. And this is your chahan, ready for your lunch. And now your chahan is done, and we made enough chahan in the pan for one person lunch, and it's on top of the stove top with the lid, keeping nice and warm for your whole lunch, and it has vegetables, ham, a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. Please enjoy.